What do people need to know for a nature walk?
Nature walks are boring sometimes because it's a very long way. So you gotta have some muscles to do it.
How do you make them less boring?
While going, how less boring by running.
Did you find anything cool today?
Yeah.
What? Yeah? The view?
See those?
All of this?
See all those things?
Yeah.
And a bounty. They're actually fun. And nature walks are actually really fun because you can see animals. But not ants, because ants are weird and terrible. So I was hiding if you can, you go, oh, a dragonfly, a dragonfly.
Oh, there he is. That's our little bit of nature. Oh, there he goes. Good spotting. What do you say to all the bicycle riders who come by?
Hi!
What do you want to say to me right now?
I want to say to you, it's fun, the nature walk is fun. Thank you for taking me here for lunch.
Oh, thanks. I love you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.